Hi team, good morning. This is Ravi Kumar Guduru. Today we are going to be discuss about changing the process execution directory structure based on the customer requirement. Okay, so you can change the directories where the process executions are stored in your need additional space basically. So for this you must be the auto management privileges to perform this task. If you have auto management read access privileges, you cannot perform this task. Especially simply, I can say that the owner of the atom or molecule or private atom can change this property according to their storage planning. Okay. So in the default setup, this property is set to 0, which causes all process executions to be stored in Boomi installation directory inside the execution slash history slash date on that current date. Inside the date folder, it will be created based on the process execution ID name. Okay, let me share my screen and show you how to uh, set up the value for storage device. Here I'm logged into Boomi account and go to this atom management page. Select the environment where you want to set this property value. Select here, I'm selecting this atom, and inside the settings and configuration, select the properties. Inside we can see that basic, advanced and custom properties. Here we go with the advanced, and you can select the property process execution directory level. Okay, so add this property. Once adding this property, it will be show here. Here you can see that values, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So this I'll be explaining different with a different example to better understand. So once we did this, if you select the save button, it should be asked for restarting the atom. Okay. Before restarting the atom, let me explain how the subfolder structure will be created based on the execution directory value we have been given. Suppose if you give 0, what value, what kind of folder structure will be create? If it is 2, 1, 2, how it will be uh, recurringly create the folder structure according to the standard format. Okay, let me take this into folder example here where the execution ID is something like here execution AABBCC. This is the execution ID. Okay, selecting the value of 0 to 4, creating the following subdirectory structure. Example, if you select the 0 value here, if you select 0 here, it will be create like it's a default one. Execution ID slash history slash date, the current date and execution ID sum by default. Okay. At the same time, if you select 1, it will be create by default. The pre-parent folder should be the same until the date. Later it will be changed. If you see that up to date value, it will be same. Later it will be changed execution ID. This is the starting of the execution ID, right? So after executions minus the first two characters AA, it will be create a subdirectory inside that execution folder. It will be create. Okay. If you select 2, the parent directory should be same until date. Then it will be creates next level, right? Yeah, first is AA and the second one is BB. Set next two character slash AA slash BB, then followed by execution ID. If you select 3 something, so by default AA BB, last one is 3 CC, right? CC will be correct and this. And if you select 4, the last two character of the execution ID part 70, it will be correct AA slash BB slash CC slash 7. Something like this. This is the format it will be treat internally and create the folder structure to provide more space to the customer. So whenever each subdirectory will allow us to execute more than 30 around 32,000 executions per day. Okay, now here I'm saving this. Hope I have given enough information on this. Thank you for watching.